So sometimes you might need to uninstall and reinstall the merchant app. The simplest way to do that is to long press on the merchant app for about 2 seconds. Now you're going to see that on the top left there is something that looks like a waste basket, a dustbin, a recycle bin as some people will call it. Just drag it to that top left until it is red. So it is red underneath. And now it says, do you want to uninstall this app? Then you can tap OK. But I'll show you the other way you can do this as well. So the other way to go about this is to uninstall from the app market. Tap on the app market. Tap on Manager. Tap on Installation Manager. Now you can see that under Installed we have Merchant app and we have other apps. But you want to uninstall the Merchant app, so you're going to tap on Merchant app. Then you select Uninstall underneath it. Then you select OK. And that will uninstall your Merchant app. To install the Merchant app, first click on App Market. Then on the home page, you're going to find Lenco Collections and install. Tap on that once and wait for it to download. So once it is done downloading up to 100%, it's going to ask you install it. Please tap on confirm. Then you just tap on next, next, install. You wait for the app to install. Then you tap on open. So one thing that's very important for you to do is to always ensure that your terminal parameters are updated, and all you need to do is give it just one tap. It's going to tell you terminal configuration successful, update successful, and that's all.